how to make a Gamepass and PLS donate on mobile. This tutorial shows you how to create and sell passes to earn Robux. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom. Following that, find and tap on Create. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Moving forward, select Creations from the menu. Afterwards, select any experience you've already created. In addition to that, tap the three lines at the top left again. Once there, scroll down and expand Monetization. Subsequently, tap on Passes to access pass settings. Moreover, tap Create a Pass to start making your Game Pass. Afterwards, add a name for your pass, and you can also change the pass image. Then, add a description explaining what the pass does. Within the pass settings, tap the pass after going back to the list. Once there, tap the three lines again and select Sales. Then, enter the amount you want to charge, but remember you only get 70% of the price and 30% goes to Roblox. Within PLS Donate, you can claim a stand and put your passes on sale to start earning Robux. And that's it. If this Game Pass creation guide helped you monetize in PLS Donate, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.